In this lesson, we'll solve exponential equations which can be reduced to quadratic equations. So let's get started. Given equation is, here the given equation is 2 power 2x minus 3 times 2 power x plus 2 plus 32 equal to 0. This equation is called exponential equation because the variable x appears in the exponent. So let's write this down as 2 power 2x minus 3 times 2 power x times 2 power 2. According to the laws of exponent, we can add exponents if we multiply 2 power x and 2 power 2. Plus 32 equal to 0. So here this would be 2 power 2x minus 2 power 2 is equal to 4. So 3 times 4 times 2 power x plus 32 is equal to 0. Now we assume that 2 power x is equal to y. If so, then we take the square on both sides. So this 2 power x and then taking the square on this side as well as on the other side. According to the laws of exponents, again, if 2 has 2 exponents, they can be multiplied. This will give us 2 power 2x equal to y square. Therefore, from equation 1, we have is y square minus 12y plus 32 equal to 0, which is quadratic equation, which is well-known quadratic equation. And I believe that you are expert in solving quadratic equations by now. So here AC is 32. If we want to use factorization method, then this would become y square minus 4 plus 8 y plus 32 equal to 0. So this would give us y square minus 4y minus 8y plus 32 equal to 0. So this gives us y common. Inside is y minus 4 minus 8 common and y minus 4 equal to 0. Let us take y minus 4 common. Y minus 4 into y minus 8 equal to 0. Since the product of two factors is equal to 0, so either y minus 4 is equal to 0 or y minus 8 is equal to 0. So here y is equal to 4 and on this side y is equal to 8. Replacing y with 2 power x. Replacing, what was the assumption? Was y equal to 2 power x. So if we replace y by this value, this will be 2 power x equal to 4, and here it would be 2 power x equal to 8. We know if we want to write 4 as an exponent or in exponential form, this will give us 2 power x equal to 2 power 2, and 8 could be similarly written as 2 power 3. This is writing numbers in exponential form. So comparing powers, we get x equal to 2, and we get x equal to 3. So this is what is solution of the given exponential equation. Let's do one more question, and now the given question is, this is example 2, and here we have the question is 4 power x minus 3 times 2 power x plus 3. 4 power x, given question or given equation is 4 power x minus 3 times 2 power x plus 3 minus 3 times 2 power x plus 3, or whatever it was, x plus 3 plus 128 plus 3 plus 128 equal to 0. We'll do the similar way. Here we have 4 power x, which we can write 2 power x minus 3 times 2 power x times 2 power 3 plus 128. We are always looking for ways in which we can replace 2 power x by y, and then we are looking for the other term where we can generate y square, and this is how we can do it. So this will give us 2 power 2x minus 3 times 2 power 3 is 2 times 2 times 2, that is 8 times 2 power x plus 128 equal to 0. So if y is equal to 2 power x, then y square is 2 power x power 2, and this is 2 power 2x. So we got what we wanted. This implies y square minus 24y plus 128 equal to 0. And now we factorize 128, and if we make factors of 128, we get 64, and then we get 2 times 32, then we get 2 times 16, and these are the factors we were looking for, 8 and 16. Because AC is equal to positive number 128, we need to find out two factors of 128 whose sum is equal to 24. So y square minus 8 plus 16 y plus 128 equal to 0, and if we further simplify it, this will give us y square minus 8y minus 16y plus 128 equal to 0. If we take y common, we get y minus 8 minus 16 common, and we get y minus 8 equal to 0. So here we take y minus 8 common, leaving inside y minus 16 equal to 0. As the product of two real numbers is equal to 0, therefore y minus 8 is equal to 0, or y minus 16 is equal to 0. If y minus 8 is equal to 0, this means y is equal to 8, and here y is equal to 16. Let us replace y with 2 power x. Replacing y equal to 2 power x, this gives us 2 power x equal to 8, and here this gives us 2 power x equal to 16. Similarly, by converting 8 into exponential form and converting 16 into exponential form will give us 2 power x equal to 2 power 3 and 2 power x equal to 2 power 4. Comparing powers, comparing exponents, we get x equal to 3 and x equal to 4. This is how we can solve most of the exponential equations, by reducing them to quadratic form and then applying standard method of solution for quadratic equations and then reaching at the solution.